Alright, it is 3:15 AM. I've got the core of the galaxy directly above me right now. If you can see, I'm here with Clayton. And well, there's supposed to be a meteor shower. It's debris and dust coming off of Halley's Comet, so mostly ice and just other kind of dust and rock, just tiny little particles. So I'm not sure what to expect. I've never actually gone and watched a meteor shower before, but the main focus here today, I suppose, is to photograph the core of the galaxy. And if we get some streaks in there, that's obviously because of the meteor shower, which is pretty cool. But yeah, I'm going to get set up and essentially start photographing straight away. Okay, there's a car coming towards us. We're actually on the road. Gonna make it quickly. So I press that button and I'll try to turn the camera here. It's way out of focus, I think, but that's kind of what I'm getting. I think the main goal, because my lens isn't super wide angle, it's 18 to 35mm on a crop sensor, so not sure what that's the equivalence of, but it's not 18mm. But the goal here is to get the core, but then I'll get some of the arms coming off the side, and then basically I can Photoshop it together to make it look like as if it was a wider angle lens. And of course then I can also do that trick and add in some foreground, because right now it's directly above me, but that means there's no foreground to add depth to the photo and make the photo more interesting. But yeah, my settings are, so 20-second exposure, f is 1.8 and ISO is at 3200. Those settings seem to work pretty well for me at the moment. But yeah, that's I haven't actually seen any meteors yet, but Clayton has. He's up there. Yeah, he's seen a few. None have come up in my photos yet either. Alright, so I just drove home. We didn't spend too long out there, and I've got work in just a few hours, so I need to get a few extra hours of sleep if I can, just before work, because I've only gotten about 2 hours tonight, which isn't quite enough. But yeah, so the photos I got, I think I'm pretty happy with. I'm going to be processing those pretty soon, as soon as I can, to stitch them together, make it hopefully as if I got a nice big long shot of the galaxy. Yeah, just want to thank Clayton again for waking up so early and coming out with me to go film that and go look at the shooting stars, the meteor shower. I also want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you do think I've earned it though, then please consider subscribing. But until then, I'll see you next time.